It's just no credit mechanism.
Don't worry about it because I'm gonna have the state file it. You don't need to worry about it. So I will need you guys, if I'm monitoring anyone for like alcohol, drugs, GPS monitoring, this nature, but don't worry about that. We'll take care of it. Just the state's motions. So you have less. Mr. Gisson Tanner.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Morning, sir.
Morning. I'm here on Davis Wheatfall.
Wheat ball?
Yes, sir. Davis-Wheatfall.
Oh, Davis. Got
You need a cause number?
it. No, let me see. Well, I didn't see that. Okay, I see it now. You just want to reset?
Yes, sir. I spoke with the state on Monday when I was in your courtroom, and there's still discovery outstanding. They're still trying to get the discovery from I guess it's HISD. So yeah, I just need to reset.
July 15th, 16th?
Hold on 1 second. You said July 15th or 16th?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you give me 1 second? Let me check my calendar.
Oh.
We can do July 16th.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we'll see you then.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Have fun.
Bye-bye.
You have Santiago Castro back there? Got it. Okay. Well, we'll put tomorrow. Porter Jackson. Did you check in? Do you mind grabbing him, please?
Mr. Ryan Brown.
Judge, I thought it was going to be state sponsored.
Yeah.
Never met Mr. Ryan.
Yeah.
Yes, but.
Okay, we'll see if he shows. But if he's not here, then he's supposed to be here. Hey, are we moving stuff off tomorrow or do we still have it on? Okay, I have a guy that's got, Gamon, that's in McDonald's client, he's got violations. He's set for tomorrow to come take a drug test. He's got another set of bond violations. So I'm just keeping them on for tomorrow then? Okay, all right.
Mr. Johnson?
Yeah, you want to come hang out? Yeah, hi guys. Yes, come hang out and
My name's Ethan
hi,
Reeves.
nice to meet you. Hi, how are you? That's okay. So do you guys?
Judge Erica.
She's great, right?
Love her.
No, she's awesome. Right. So you guys, what's up? Did you come yesterday?
We did, but then they let us know.
I'm sorry,
No
not
worries.
yesterday. But you know, you guys are always welcome. You want anytime you want to come here, usually every day. I very rarely miss, but if you want to hang out here, you want to sit over there, wherever you want to go, you know, stay for as long as you want. Usually Mondays and Fridays are business, so that's usually the best days to come. We were separate trial yesterday, but obviously gonna go through. But yeah, we're happy to have anytime to come. Hang out. You guys want to sit there or you want to sit here? And
I'm sitting there.
you know what, probably you're right, because if we get more deployments in the so yeah, it's probably good.
Okay.
Yeah, hang out. As long as you
Thank you.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, is there a time limit?
Carl, I'm going to CC you on an email now. It's a harassment that's set for tomorrow, arraignment. Dustin, who's the lawyer, is asking me to move it next week. But I'm emailing back right now saying, look, I don't know. I need the state's position. I need to know what, if any, conditions that we need to put in place. So what we'll do is I will send this email now. I'm going to ask Dustin to zoom in. Once he does, if he does, at that point, I'll need you to do a PC real quick so we can decide what, if any, conditions. Okay, just to give you a heads up.
She's right in this, you know, how much is the book here. Where everything's like. Yeah, you mentioned, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I like it. Yeah. Okay. You would put some photos to make sure you're without it. So everything else fine. And this is a good order. If you want to check that later.
Hi,
Quick question.
shoot.
Why not is EPI getting email with the conference? They already said like everybody got the process that the appearance is required. Do you want them to stay?
No,
Okay, thanks.
no. I mean, so where are you at now? You just got to get the,
Everything's done. They just have the contract, I mean, process, the order, their side.
we just need him to sign a reset for the year-long reset, and then after that, we'll let him go.
Thanks.
Yeah, for sure. Can I give you clause number, please? I need to give you a clause number. Ready? 262-1799 on Chavez.
Yes.
A discovery order was filed in both of those cases. I don't know if you've seen it.
I have no
It looks like it's a standing one.
I'll take a look at it.
Just make sure you're okay with it. If you are, then I'll sign it, please.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. So you have the supervisor.
Yeah. I'm on the
As everybody's saying. Right?
All right. Everything then?
It's pretty popular to share. So.
Did you get any offers? Okay. How do you July 21st through your 23rd?
Moving now. I mean, it's not.
To consider options. Okay. We have anything else? Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm doing all the things. I'll also do this way, she's not staying. They're here now. Well, that is even to get us on here, can you talk? So they're not eligible.
Yeah, he probably.
Downstairs.
I'm still loud.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Go like a learn policy. Yeah.
Hey,
What are you
good morning.
I'm getting off topic matter from the department. Got the case already ready.
Is it? Okay, give me 1 second.
Yes, sir.
I'll check for the information on it.
Okay, what's the call number?
Yes, sir, it's 261-2058.
Okay,
I'm just like the video sign,
the what?
the blood prep discovery. order.
Sure, just have him put it in and then I'll sign it for you.
Oh, was it not? I'm so sorry, so sorry.
You cool with it? Yeah, okay, all right, I'll sign it.
I've been told it's up and over. I've been told it's up.
Okay, not yet. Got it, yeah, it'll be there any moment now.
Sorry.
Sure. Victoria, hi Brandon. Johnson. State's okay with it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Sure, of course.
Judge, Mr. Chavez, we have no objection to the separate request.
Okay, great.
And then we also filed a motion to restore property that would be in review, as well for different use
Okay,
for Mr. Fausto.
got it. Thanks.
No, just this one. States on those states. I'll send it out. I was still lying, that's one. Does this? This guy's sleeping. Did you get a response? Okay, so you're at one meeting. No. Yeah. I didn't see the three. I think that looks like it was mine. You have 5 feet there. You know, you're right. Yeah. So, this should be nice to you. Yeah. Okay, I put that. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I see. Perfect. Yes, well, I'll be here until 6. Well, because I'm going to start doing. Yes. I am this is not how we do it. Meditation is what we
Yeah, you see.
Do you see conditions on Ryan? They're not there yet? Oh, yeah, that's, you see the state's conditions? Yeah, okay, great. Yeah, that's all, that's all.
Ryan Brown.
Good morning, Mr. Kaiser.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What's up?
Here on Toy Tanner, she was to pay some restitution and cases would have been dismissed. However, Ms. Tanner had an automatic withdrawal that she didn't account for come out of her account, and thus didn't have the money. She is able to pay it by this Friday. Uh, we are, I'm just going to have her send it to me and I'll pick up a cashier's check and pay the restitution. If you could give us till, let's say Monday by just,
I'll give you till Friday, man. I mean, this has been over and over and over. We're at 225 days now, you
right.
know?
Well, okay. Yeah, Your Honor, if you, I know you don't remember, you hear tons of,
Really, it's always something though.
well, but we just got the restitution amount, I think, at the last setting on this case.
When did you guys offer the restitution dismissal?
He said, we shared the bill on May 28th. So we had a referral with. Then he had to send us an email.
I can't hear, Your Honor.
She's saying that she gave you the restitution information on the 28th of last month.
Right. It was that the last setting?
And it's been now nearly 2 weeks. Tomorrow will be week 2.
Right.
Right.
Your Honor, we believe this, and this is why she didn't pay it was because well, why she wasn't able to pay it was because she had the automatic withdrawal that she didn't account for.
Okay,
And
so you're saying Friday it'll get paid though?
yes, sir.
Great. So is she here now?
She is. She should be in the audience, Your Honor.
Okay. If it's not paid Friday, then I'm going to roll her day for day.
Okay. All right. I'll explain that to her, and I think we'll have it paid. I'm pretty
So come on up, ma'am. You need to have it paid by Friday. You understand?
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. We'll have you sign a receipt and we'll get you out of here, man. Please. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right, thanks, Sean.
Thanks, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you. Bye.
Hi,
Good morning, Your
good
Honor.
morning.
I have a plea today for an in custody
Okay,
defendant.
you getting him? Okay, got it. Karina, you said it was a motion to destroy
Restore.
or restore?
Yes, like a restore firearm.
So it's going to the rightful owner, though?
Correct.
So, okay, good.
Yes.
All right,
That's
got
when
it.
I saw the name and I saw the kind of I was like, wait, no, but that's what it looks like.
Morning, Mr. Goodman. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're also charged with prostitution. Second offense, you're facing up to 6 months in jail on each of those cases. You, looks like you've worked out an agreement where they're going to dismiss the prostitution in exchange for your plea on the trespass. You need to understand that the prostitution case is an enhanceable offense. If you keep picking those up, at some point you will be hit with a felony offense. Years instead of days. You understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This will go on your record. It will be there forever. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. You understand? How do you plead to the offense of criminal trespass? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow this agreement, send it you to 30 days in jail, give you credit for the 11 days that you've done. Good luck to you, sir. Yes, ma'am. Thanks. Farwell, you filed conditions on Ryan. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Judge, are you?
What's up?
It's times up with like 4. It's their analog.
Last July.
We got features of some NC.
And then you can see.
So you put the case, like not being in this century. From how did it work?
Oh, and I'll be able to. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
That's good.
I'm a little short.
You're there.
This is the good before I'm waiting to be on the record if Ramona is available.
Ramona,
Okay, I was just trying to figure it out.
Yeah, and you're talking about the plan condition that they.
Yes, Judge.
do you mind please setting up? We have to put something on the record.
Okay, I'll be right out.
Thanks. On, who is this again?
Someone's gonna hear you.
Yeah, I see a writ was filed yesterday.
Oh, yes, and I mean, this is informal, we'll have it on the record, but I'm waiving my notice period. My rights for a notice period, we're just gonna have it done today, because this is one where they're only contesting good order, so I don't need a fingerprint expert, I don't need anything else. I don't need the other. Yeah. Yeah.
So it says here that the restraint is illegal, specifically the affidavit for warrant number whatever alleges a false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights was committed on or about October 25th of 2022.
They're alleging that it is inconsistent with the warrant date because one of the pages of the affidavit states the date of August 2024, but I can clarify that on the record. It's not inconsistent.
Okay.
It's less ambiguity to how they worded it, and it's not wrong. I.
Don't. It's okay, really. That's why we're here.
Yeah.
Don't feel bad ever. You know, you do what you need to do. No one will begrudge you for it.
We got really like. No, that's not right.
That's the line.
Hey, guys, do you mind bringing up Mr. Therio? Please, Therio, please.
What is the correct way to email the last name? Yeah, calculate all the dates and the time difference for when the thing was sent out. Now I have to go to the whole. Math. You need to do that.
Morning, Mr. Therio.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Are you ready?
Oh, yes, Judge.
Okay. All right. It is June 10th, 2026. We are here in cause number 2610376, State of Texas versus Luke Therio. We are here because Mr. Therio is wanted out of Calcasieu Parish, Louisiana. There is a fugitive warrant that was issued back in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, would you announce yourselves for purposes of the record, please?
Dave Kim for state.
Haley Alfaro for defendant.
The reason we are here is for purposes of the record. It appears that in Mr. Therio's case, he was picked up mid-March, went before a magistrate March 16th of 2026. And at that time, he had the ability to either waive extradition or refuse extradition. And it's apparent here that he at that time refused extradition. For purposes of the record, also, he's wanted for cyber stalking, violation of constitutional rights, among other things. A governor's warrant has been obtained in this case. It also appears that an application for writ of habeas corpus was filed yesterday, 6/9 of 2026.
Yes,
State,
Your
would you like
Honor.
to proceed?
At this time, I'd like to introduce the governor's warrant. A copy has been tendered on to council, along with an order securing fugitive after service of a governor's warrant.
Okay. So it looks like you have obtained the governor's warrant.
Yes, Your Honor. And a state is waiving notice requirements for the writ of habeas corpus. State is ready to stand, opposed to the writ.
Okay.
So for the governor's warrant, he is wanted out of Calcasieu Parish for 2 charges: false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights under warrant number LCPD 2024-010163, and cyber stalking under LCPD 2022-005784. The data incidents were October 25th, 2022 and June 10th, 2022, respectively. And the warrant was signed on November 9th, 2022 and November 1st, 2022. In the defendant's application for the writ of habeas corpus, it only alleges one violation, that the papers are not in order. And only cites one affidavit where it states that the date is inconsistent with when the warrant was signed in 2022, because the affidavit notes that it was from August 2024. However, that discrepancy is actually a lexical ambiguity. The second warrant for the false statement concerning denial of constitutional rights, while the warrant was signed by the 14th District Court in Louisiana, it wasn't entered into NCIC until August 2024. And so it is not incorrect. It was just addressing a different part of the warrant process. For the governor's warrant, it has shown to fulfill all the other requirements. And under Coester 450 Southwest 3D 908 is that once the governor's warrant regular on its face is introduced into evidence, the burden shifts to the accused to show the warrant was not illegally issued, was not based on proper authority, or contains inaccurate recitals. However, they may not complain about any of the papers which have not been offered. This stems from when he was originally arrested in March 16th, 2026. The governor's warrant was issued out, or a petition was issued out from the state of Louisiana's EA's office on March 20, 2026. The sworn statement from Detective Russell in Louisiana was signed on April 1st, 2026. It was sent to the state of Louisiana Department of Justice, to the Attorney General Liz Murrell, and a governor's warrant packet was requested for the Louisiana governor, Jeff Landry. The Louisiana governor signed the governor's warrant on May 4th, 2026, and remitted it over to the Texas governor's office on May 27th, 2026, where our governor, Greg Abbott, has signed and accepted the governor's warrant. It is issued out from our Secretary of State, Nancy Nelson, to our sheriff's office on May 29th, 2026. And the defendant was served yesterday, which has been provided to a copy of this court on June 9th, 2026.
Mhm.
And so otherwise, the papers are in good order and the state has fulfilled their requirements under codified 5113 that has met the Uniform Act for extradition.
Do you have any issues with the paperwork?
Yes, Judge, we do. And this is not outlined in the actual application for the writ of habeas, but there is one other issue regarding fugitive status, but I'll get into that one. The issue here, the main issue was the fact that the documents on their face are not in order. We have an actual affidavit from the detective that was involved in this case, saying that these actions were done on August 2024. Mr. Thera has been living in Houston, Harris County, since May of 2016. He was actually served with a restraining order, a criminal order of protection, and it actually includes that it's permanent lifetime. He was actually ordered to remain in Katy, Texas with his father. This is an order that was brought down by the same parish that is now requesting that he come back, even though there's an order contradicting this because they had previously been told, he had previously been told to stay away. He has a permanent lifetime order in place in case number 7543-16 out of the 14th.
So you're saying there was a lifetime protective order? That was it?
Judge.
Okay.
Yes, and this was signed on this was filed on January 12th of 2017. All these incidents, even if we were to agree that all of them occurred on March, June, and October of 2022, and I'm aware that there's a carve-out exception under Section 6 of the Uniform Extradition Act that accounts for cyber-stalking crimes that can be remotely committed, right?
Right. I mean, that's
Right, and I understand that part, but I also understand that he has been given two contradicting orders. One order restricts him from going near that property and from stay and to stay here. This is a permanent lifetime order, and as far as I know, it has not been revoked, it has not been overturned. No other judge has said, yeah, he can freely come back to Calcasieu Parish. So Mr. Theriot has been complying with that order since about 2016. And as such, he's not willing to return back voluntarily to the state of Louisiana in direct violation of this order as well. Yes. I don't know.
But does that have any issue with, on its face, and the fact that the extradition documents are not in order?
Well, the main contention as far as the documents not being in order are the fact that there's a discrepancy in like a 2-year gap date, where the individual involved in this case has one previous affidavit that they used to secure a warrant that says that these acts happened on October 25th of 2022, whereas the new affidavit that was signed by that same individual on April 1st of 2026, he's alleging that these acts happened in 2024. That's a full 2-year discrepancy. If it were like a matter of days, you know, I understand the leeway that is given with the honor about language, but I think that.
Sure, but I think that that's something that's
So-
handled over there.
As the court knows, for 5113 for the receiving state is that they are required to have 2 affidavits with warrant statements. The first one the council is referring to is the initial arrest warrant that was signed by the 14th District Court.
Sure.
The second one is an affidavit signing and attesting to the governor's warrant. And so that's.
Okay, so. I'm going to grant the governor's request and I'm going to order you to return back to Calcasieu Parish. You will be held at no bond while this process is going on. I would imagine within the next just couple of days, you'll be back to Calcasieu Parish, and at that point you can deal with them and issues of bond and whether they'll, grant you another bond. But at this point, we're going to order you to return back. Do you have any questions?
Just the governor's warrant states that I was physically present in Louisiana to commit the acts. Is that, even if they're not on the.
I haven't seen.
And that is correct, Judge. I believe an affidavit prepared by Jacob Johnson, part of the governor's order packet, clearly states that Mr. Theriot was physically present in the year like 2022 to commit these offenses, physically present in the state.
I wouldn't know. I don't.
I have a witness who can testify that I was at the house.
Well, that's something that you'll have to take up when you get back over there. This here, we're only trying to determine, are you the right person that should be charged with this offense? And whether there is enough to send you back to Louisiana to answer those charges. That's what my concern is identity. Are you who they say you are? Are the documents in order? If they are, at that point, we'll send you back and then you answer the charges over there and then you can make those arguments over there.
What about the 4th prong review, the status as a fugitive? That I fled the state and that I'd be entitled to the governor's discretion and not a mandatory.
It's just whether you are a fugitive. That's just the last
Your
prong of
Honor,
it.
we addressed this earlier, is that there's a carve out under section 6 is that there are exceptions in what we colloquially call 2B warrants that they are recognized by both governors of Texas and Louisiana as qualifying for 5113.
They do, 2B warrants are issued all the time, Yeah. So, all right.
All right.
So, Your Honor, just for the record, in accepting the governor's warrant, state would like to introduce Exhibit A for the governor's warrant and the service, and is the court formally denying the writ for the defendant?
Yeah. All right. So, do you have any objection to the admission?
The admission would be the original governor's order packet that we will
With the
provide.
service slip.
Yeah.
No objection to this.
Okay. It'll be admitted and the writ will be denied.
Can I appeal the denial of the writ?
Sure. Yeah, and she'll go over that with you, but I'm going to grant the writ. I mean, not grant the writ, I'll deny the writ.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank you.
thanks,
May we
guys.
be excused, John?
Yes,
We have the record.
off the record.
Oh, right.
Thank
So
you, Ramon.
I'll, go, yeah, the back.
Oh, I.
Okay.
Keely. Don't worry about it. Sorry. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Ramona.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's 30 days, so for 30 days in the orders, so they can.
Hey, is it the CCA?
I'm sorry, Jim?
Is it to the CCA?
Yes, that's right. I didn't provide a copy of that as well. Printed it out, but I printed out so many things. There it is.
Thanks.
Ryan Brown.
Are you ready? Hey. Hi, good morning.
Looking for Joe, okay?
Yeah. You just need me to sign a dismissal?
Yes, please.
I think I've already signed it.
Okay, maybe I'm just not getting emails today then.
Hmm.
All right.
I don't see it yet, so maybe if it's not come through yet, it'll come through, and as soon as I get it all signed.
Sure, I think it is.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah. Very helpful.
Judge.
Hey, yeah,
I think, right now, the first one is William. William.
okay. It's jail case, right?
No, this is on bond.
Okay,
She's here in the audience, Judge. She is, she's in for a prostitution case. She's completed, kind of the terms of her PTI. It's just, she's got a month left until her discharge date where she doesn't have any new cases or anything. Right now, she's got an ankle monitor on her. We were listed for it. We could address, if we could, taking that off.
she's fulfilled everything for the dismissal. She just needs to stay out of trouble.
She's here, Judge, and, for what it's.
I understand. Well, state what's your position. Yeah, okay, I'm down. Number two.
And then my second one is obstruct. That one's on the jail property.
It is on the jail.
This one was a 10-day discovery setting for surveillance.
Oh, right, okay.
The identity of the officer. As of right now, spoke with the chief, we don't have it right now. So.
Judge, we're having our investigator go in person to get the surveillance video.
It's 150 days and he's in jail. So, I mean, I guess I'll give you to the end of docket. He's bond denied and upstairs regardless, but I guess I'll give him to the end of docket. If you don't have it by the end of docket, then okay, all right. Thanks, Sebastian.
No, somebody was sitting July. Which one was the
Yes.
Hi,
Mayor Coach?
please.
Yeah.
Hi. Okay,
Hoping to get into PTI, set for a TRAS on July first. So we're hoping to get this case reset sometime shortly thereafter.
is he here now?
He's not here today.
Okay, it's 180 days. I'm not gonna wait. You said when is this set?
July first, TRAS date.
Let's do this. Pick a day next week, have him come, and then we'll send him to go do a walkthrough TRAS so we can kind of speed things up a bit since it's already 180 days.
Understood.
I don't care whatever day you want, just have him come. Any day good next week? Yeah, just pick whatever you want. We'll have him come, send him to a walkthrough TRAS, and after that, we'll give you a couple of weeks to finish it up.
Understood.
Yeah.
We'll see you next week. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Which day next week? How about Thursday? Monday the 13th. Fire repairs for one.
Thank you.
Yeah. This is your thing? Okay. Yes. How's the line? 8 or 9. I am the same support and I understand when you have no problem. No fun. I'm not very certain. I'm not really familiar with myself. All right, I will be looking at required appearance. Okay. And then we'll have to approach on the student.
Is it top of 34?
Yes, Jim.
Piece, is he here?
Yes, Jim.
Yeah, we need to do PC.
Yes.
Yeah, we need to do PC.
And
Deontay Smart, come up.
I would like to kind of hold off on it so I can look at the discovery a little bit. There's two.
Well, yeah, I get it, but I still have to do PC on it. I can't not.
Okay. Now, if I recall, you do allow us to re-approach up to you.
Sure, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Perfect.
Anytime.
I'm signed on the case, but I have not had a chance to do it.
All right, you are Mr. Smart. Sir, you're charged with unlawful carrying of weapon and displaying a fictitious license plate.
The fictitious plate is already to the. He's read to. Wednesday. June or July.
July.
Oh, he picked up a new case. Oh,
And that's why
Oh.
the PC is a little more interesting.
we are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
On June 6, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed a vehicle traveling with an expired license plate. Our traffic stop was conducted. The defendant was the front right passenger, but also the registered owner of the vehicle and stated he is the owner. Officer observed the strong odor of marijuana from inside the vehicle. Officer observed the front of defendant's shirt to have recognized pieces of marijuana on it. Defendant admitted to smoking marijuana earlier and also admitted to being in possession of a handgun inside the vehicle. Defendant stated everything in the vehicle belonged to him. Officer located inside the vehicle a plastic pouch of marijuana as well as a handgun on the front right floorboard of the vehicle.
Mr. Smart, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be tested 40 days from today. If you test positive for dope or alcohol, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand? The one thing I told you not to do was pick up a new case, and you picked up a new case. What happens now? What happens now? No, you're going to jail today. I don't ask much from you. Don't pick up a new case. And if I find that you have a weapon again, it's just going to keep going higher and higher. You understand? Okay.
He's got, he made a.
I'm not gonna touch the new case, but I'm gonna revoke it just on the old one,
So I can tell his family what's the.
5001.
For the fictitious plate. We should consider 2500. And let me.
State, what do you say?
We defer to you, Judge.
All right, I'll set it at 2501, but I'm gonna tell you now, you will get tested 40 days from today. And I'm not gonna play this game with you. Do you understand? Okay, all right. Hey, you ready, Janet? Hey, what's up?
Sophia Harris.
Jail or bond?
Harris.
Okay,
So, the DA did make me an offer. The problem was my car was broken into and my briefcase was stolen with all my files and my calendar. I'm all packed in. So I've been
It's
like
okay.
recreating my calendar, but I just haven't been able to sit down and like talk to her about it.
so you're at
So it's just a reset
172. We'll
question.
give you one last one. She's got to be at the next setting.
Okay,
Discovery complete, and is there an offer on the case?
there's a very nice offer.
Okay, so that's it.
Okay.
This is the last reset, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Thank
yes,
you.
ma'am.
Sure.
That's much better. Stace, is he here?
Not anymore.
He left? Okay,
He realized he had to give me the he walked out.
I'll give him to the end of docket in the event that he shows up. We'll call his name at the end 3 times. If he's not here, at that point, I'll revoke the bond. I'll grant your motion. Just, I'll reach out to you if he shows up, but I'll give him the benefit of the doubt until the end of docket.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Are we gonna, hey, we getting pre-trial? Do we know? So we need to do conditions on, right, so. Yeah, please. Carl, you got my email? Yeah,
Yeah, I checked and he'll be here.
okay.
Okay, you have to see on the. But since you can go back to the situation, that's not.
Hey, Carl. Yeah. Yeah, sure. We'll give you a final reset. Just let her know she's got to be here.
Right.
Okay.
And also some fill things.
See how old. Sure. Yeah, yeah. Okay. You got it.
Okay.
Have fun.
I'm very good about it. Okay.
Just no more than 30 days though.
I already know that.
Okay. Whatever you want.
Other than you want. Not every day.
How's July 8th, yes. I was saying that specifically
I'm about to leave. You cool? You need anything? I mean, I'm not leaving, like. Oh, you had an occupation?
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So Monday,
So what's research?
It's just another thing to let you know. I was still on at 21st. Like I'm not so. But no, I don't actually even has tomorrow. Okay, but his original one is already on for 761, so you want to just put this one on. And then. Actually, not. Next, no, I'm assuming that's the what's on my. It's really.
Thank you. He should be. Well, I'm saying, not a kind of letting that be. Rodriguez? I don't know how close it is. You know, and my insurance is trying to follow it up. I didn't sign it. You know, it's me. I was about us. Oh, you, I. It is now. So you subpoenaed it, I see that.
Yeah, oh my goodness. But I would now there's no problem. It's still pretty new. I see it. Yeah, the email that was on the else. Curious to see something.
No, no, I'm saying, I can still, I don't know one business, I bring the next level.
Garcia.
Recording.
Objection heard.
No, but I heard that. Yeah, I have one is. Yeah. I thought those people. I don't, it is. I mean, and I was too young, I was like.
No, I think it's their name, I can find it on.
So, Steve, well, Steve is the bar meetings. We'll make sure he's actually in their van. Because physically. He's happening.
Those pictures are made by. Those pictures are so nice.
And great.
He's at the board. You're long teaching? Well, I hope that you. And some music. Okay. I was just waiting, you pay her out garbage. That's just a lot right now. In there. It's regular. Because this dragon. I'm also never different. Everything's just been transmitted. That's right.
Oh, you can dismiss a case. First of all, this one you submitted to TPI. It's to 3 years for previously. Just. I just. Request for reevaluation.
KJT on the end. And unless it is the question, age.
The other one. Deontay Smart.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Judge.
Hi. Okay, talk to me.
I have Mr. Wilkins on. He's in custody.
Okay.
As judge, and we are going to be able to jail reentry program.
Sure.
I filed,
Okay, I'll sign it.
Yep, the things.
Okay.
On the page, on the 3 cases.
Okay.
Dismissing them in accordance with that.
Not a problem. Okay, thanks.
Maybe excuse.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, Dustin.
Just answer, you know, that's how we do this.
Okay, let me give it to you. Or do you got it,
I got it.
Dustin?
It's 262-3545.
2623545. My only concern are, because it's a harassment case, are there any conditions that we should place? Do you mind, I guess, reading what
The
happened?
protocol is actually, I'd like you to look at that. too. I mean,
Sure,
so he's-
of course.
he's present, but it's.
I know, yeah, but it's okay.
Harassment statute.
Last question, we're dispatched to a public roadway in reference to a vehicle disturbance. Complainant advised defendant followed her to her residence and threatened her following a road rage incident. She advised she was stopped in the intersection at a red light. Defendant honked immediately when the light turned green. Complainant advised she made a left turn onto the bender. Defendant was behind her and made a left turn. Defendant attempted to go around her, but was unsuccessful due to traffic. She advised defendant followed her to her apartment complex. Defendant appeared to reach into his backseat for something, took photos of complainant with his phone. Defendant circled the parking lot yelling, "I know where you live, I'll be back later." Then yelled racial slurs. Complainant feared for her safety and believed defendant would return. Complainant followed defendant to Planet 4 to get a better description of his license plate. Provided license plate to dispatch. They initiated a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle for failure to signal lane change. He advised he was in a road rage incident where complainant brake checked him several times after he blew the horn at her. Defendant advised complainant followed him to Planet 4, denied following her to the apartment complex. Defendant advised he wasn't going to harm her, he just blocked her on social media. Complainant provided recording of the interaction, which shows defendant circling the parking lot of the apartment complex, yelling, "FU cracker." The light just turned green. Defendant responded, "I know where you park now. I'll be back later. I'll be back later. You better watch yourself." And yelling racial slurs will drive off.
And general argument, the racial slur is this white guy called the other person a cracker allegedly.
Well,
But-
let's pull the statute.
Planet 4 is literally right next to the apartment complex, my father's driving, so he took a picture of her plate, she followed her, took a picture of his plate. That was the harassment, I mean, it's just people being stupid, it's what we see on the news all day long. So I think it's.
Whoa.
Grizzlies, good news and stuff.
But so harassment occurs when an individual with the intent to harass, annoy, alarm, abuse, torment, or embarrass another engages in specific prohibited communications.
So they're not prohibited communications. It's not, I mean, it doesn't track as military.
Well,
What you're telling me is every person that might have this courtroom, including the DA's office, would be in jail today for harassment based on.
I think that I would perhaps agree with you, but for the fact that they're saying it goes to the actual house,
The house is 5 feet affordable. He went because he was getting a vehicle service, he was dropping to a vehicle service. And it's clear. I know you don't know that. I mean, that'll be a drop down the road when it gets there, but I mean, I don't.
Yeah, I think that, so I think that there's enough for probable cause purposes. The only thing I'm gonna order now, and what I can do is I can give you the conditions,
Okay.
have him sign it, get it back to us by tomorrow.
Yes.
And then, we'll set it for next week, whatever day you want, but in the interim, he needs to know that he's not to have communication with her, no weapons, no going to her house. If you can file those, I'll print it out, I'll give it to you. I'm gonna find PC, but pick a day, whatever, next week. He'll come, we'll just have him sign everything and then we'll, yeah. So pick whatever day you want next week. Just before you leave, let us give you the conditions. He's got to have it signed back to us tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
And you can just file it,
Will he file
sure.
it? Oh, I did.
Okay,
Just to make sure, no contact with the complainant, no returning to her address, no firearms.
right. No going to her work, place of, where she lives, just no contact whatsoever.
Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Dustin, thanks, man. Hi, are you ready? Are they bringing him out? No. Sebastian, I signed your motion. Is that what you want?
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. And then for future reference, just, you don't have to stay. Just put it up here and then,
I'm waiting for the surveillance thing.
oh, got it. Well, then you can always Zoom. You don't have to
I'm gonna
stay.
be here anyway.
I told him I could email him and contact him.
I'm going to
He just wants
I
to-
love being in this building.
Yeah.
Investigator did go out there and trying to get it.
Okay.
We can do a recall person.
We email and then someone's gonna come help us out, but yeah.
Because I had the one with the ankle monitor.
So forget right. Hey, Syed, what's up, man? Great to see you. What's new?
Dude, I just had some interns with me. I'll take them around, introducing the judges
Yeah,
whenever you have a
just
session.
let me do this plea real
Yeah,
quick
no problem.
and then because I don't want them to come up and then they
Yeah, no, I got it.
security risk.
I want them electrically anyway, so.
Yeah. So no dice on Porter, huh? Okay. Yeah.
You decide this first, the conditions, or do you want me to have them sign first?
Yeah, I can sign it. If you wanna,
I just followed him, Judge.
okay, I'll sign it, then we'll print it out and we'll give you a copy.
Perfect.
Yeah, for sure. So you're gonna have to give me a couple minutes for it to pop in.
I'll cross the walk.
Okay, sure. I've got Dan Corrigan also here. He's got 3 cases that. So he still has the case upstairs going on, right? Oh, rip. Wow. He just got filed.
Yeah.
Right.
He got probation.
Wow, that was quick.
Mhm.
All right, Mr. Wessels, good morning, sir. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense. You're also charged with possession of a dangerous drug. On both of those, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. It looks like you have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 9 days in jail with credit for the 3 days that you've done. It looks like it's a reduction to a first. You know how many people we have in TDC doing life on a DWI? This is now 2 with us, a second, and now you have a DWI upstairs. What's it gonna take for you to get the message? Serious prison time? You and all your 100-pound, you know what they would do to you in our Texas prison? You have any clue what they would do to you in prison, Mr. Wessels? Take a guess. I've read stuff and it had me in tears because of the way that some people are treated in our Texas prisons. It's freaking disgusting. You are now facing up to 10 years in prison. If you have a problem with drugs or alcohol, it's probably a good time for you to address it because really, the agreement that you've worked out is 9 days in jail, credit for the 3 days that you've done. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you are not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal once you accept this agreement. You can never change this or undo this. You understand? Every time you pick up a DWI now, you will be facing serious prison time. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow this agreement, sentence you to it. I'm going to suspend your license for 1 year. Do not drive until you get a license. Stop getting into a car. Don't drive. You and cars do not mix well. Do you understand? If you want to get lit, take an Uber. $30. It's a geographical oddity. Wherever you want to go in this life, you take an Uber, always $30. Good luck, sir. Thank you. Ready?
Yeah.
These are our 3 environmental interns for the summer, Judge.
Nice to meet you guys. How's it going?
I think some of them have already heard about you, seen about you.
So what are you guys in law school now or are you undergrad?
Law school, just completed 1L.
Nice. Go to law school. It's so much, well, no, I was going to say it's fun, but it's not fun. It sucks. But I tell you, I mean, you really, this life, it's about knowledge, right? The more you know, the more just life is better for you. No one can take you for a ride, you know, and really when you're a lawyer, it just, there's no greater profession in this world. It's hard, but it's worth it at the end. You know, if you put your heart, soul into it, if I can become a lawyer, freaking anybody can be a lawyer. Really, it's just how much heart you have, you know? You're welcome to come anytime. You guys want to hang out with us. Fridays and Mondays are our busiest and it's a lot of fun around here. But yeah, you're welcome to hang out anytime. And I would go and watch as many trials as you can. You need to see the best. We have so many great warriors in this building. The more you watch, the more you learn and the more you kind of sponge off them, develop your own style. But really, just the world, your oyster, anything you want this life, the harder you work, the more passion you put into it, really.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Come by anytime and just hang out. We're happy to have you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Everything else going on, Judge?
Great. Yeah.
Do you ever get you?
Hey, I'm live streaming, just so you know.
Do you ever have environmental crimes issues with those cases? Just let them come down here.
So you're with the PDO's office?
Now, with the DA's office.
Oh, you're with the environmental office?
But, so like all your illegal dumping, you have those.
Okay.
It should be moved quick, you know, when my files, discoveries in, offers in, so when they come to court, they got everything.
Yeah,
You know,
really,
they should be rolling, so, but for some reason they're not.
we don't get many
I know.
anymore. Oh,
But for some reason it's not moving quick, let me know, because they
Yeah.
should be moving quick.
I got you. Side, you're the best, man.
Have a good one, Judge.
Thanks. Dan,
Yes, Judge.
you ready?
Yeah, I have Frank Garabee,
Okay.
2 cases. We submitted the PTI packet. Tried to call him for his insurance. He didn't answer.
I guess we lost. Let me see how, thanks.
We're working on applications. and-
So he says he's submitted it. Do you have the on Garabay?
Gary?
Yeah, with the G.
We have not.
You filed it today, Dan?
No, I think it was filed, my secretary did, at least a week ago.
Who did you send it to? Did you send it to Kenneth?
I'll send it again, Judge. To
Okay,
Kenneth?
do me a favor.
Yeah,
Will you CC Farwa or DA here? And I will send you her email. Just bear with me a second. I don't know if you have it.
You can have me for the Serenita is out today.
Say it again.
Serenita is out, so do CC me on the email instead.
Okay. I'm gonna send you her email if you don't mind CCing her
okay.
so that we know. Bear with me a second. That's it.
Okay, let me write it down.
And then we'll set you off for a couple days, for any day next week
Okay,
to see whether it's accepted or rejected. If it's accepted, have him come here so we can send him to do a walkthrough TRAS. If not, then we got to figure out what we're gonna do. Pick a day next week. I don't care.
next Wednesday. Okay. The next person?
Pavella is the next one.
Yeah, we're just waiting on the contract.
Pavella with an F.
FEBELA.
The contract was sent, yes, contract was sent to defense on, June 8th.
On when?
June 8th, 2 days ago.
2 days ago, they sent it to you. Do you have it?
Okay. I'll look and can we set it for next, can I get so I
I'll
can
give you
get
2 weeks on that, Dan.
Yeah. Okay, sounds good.
So hold on, let me get your date. No, page 8, bottom. They just got the contract 2 days ago, so you're gonna give them 2 weeks.
Bottom of 8, is that 2 weeks?
Yeah, they got the contract, so they have to finish up everything.
June 30 through July 2nd.
July 2nd.
July 2nd.
Okay.
Okay, then next is Garibay on page
No,
13.
that's the one we submitted the packet, submitted the PTI. But I'm gonna resend it, except for next Wednesday, Garibay.
Next Wednesday.
Wednesday, Judge, that's a FIFA date.
Okay, pick any day but Wednesday. It's a FIFA day.
Oh, okay, what
And
about
then
that
Friday's the
Thursday?
no-go too. So no Wednesday, no Friday, because Friday we're off.
Okay, then the next Thursday.
Thursday. Okay.
Okay, and then the last one is Frank Garibay. We tried to get him a PTI, but he was denied.
You mean Rodriguez?
I'm sorry, Rodriguez, Your Honor. Alfredo Rodriguez. We tried for a PTI, but he was denied. So I just waiting on a different offer from the state.
He has a probation offer on the portal.
It's 276 days old, Dan, so
Okay,
I
can we
gotta know
set
what
it for
you
next? Yeah, can we set it for next Wednesday, Judge? And we can
Sure.
finish it.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, next Thursday.
Thursday. All right.
All right,
He's gonna
thank
be
you, Your
here
Honor.
next Thursday to take care of it or get set for trial.
Sounds good. All
Okay.
right, have a great day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Have fun. Were they gonna dismiss the possession of a dangerous drug case? Did you know? I forgot to address it. Okay.
For the plea, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Washington. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
What's up, man?
I'm taking responsibility for myself with Stetson lot that was supposed to be here. And I did not know if he did that, but I didn't.
So I guess pick
Yeah, you.
Friday?
You can take it to
I can try.
the vendor.
I'm gonna text him now.
Okay, so there's an offer on the case,
There is not.
okay?
I'm gonna let him know, talk to him right now.
Yeah, okay, all right, thanks. Friday?
Friday? This Friday? You're looking for the interviews?
It's plea or trial.
Clear. Yes.
Plea. Okay.
This Friday?
You know what? Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
This Friday?
Yes.
Six, 12. Okay, got it.
Thank you, sir.
This transfer order, you want me to sign this transfer order, put tomorrow's date or put tomorrow's date or today's date?
Oh, you should see it was today's.
So I'm gonna put today's date.
Okay, I haven't had. Garcia, Michael?
It's, we're gonna print it out and send it to him because he's gonna have his client sign it. And then, so he's not here. We're, if you don't, I can print it out and then this depends where he's gonna take it with him and have him sign it. And then he's gonna file it via,
Okay.
deeds. He's set for tomorrow for Raymond, but he can't come because of work. So that's why he's gonna come next week, but at least it's on the conditions, so.
Is it Tiffany gonna come and pick them up?
Yeah, yeah, it's just, I guess, hold it. Yeah.
Do you want me to delete the line from the
Please, yeah,
accused of your signature?
sure. Hi, Herm. What's up? Yeah. Sendable?
Yes, yes. It's not that old, and he has a request to transfer the scram for the interlock now that he has the vehicle. He would like to drive. Son of a.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take it off, but if he wants to drive, I'm okay with it and we'll have him have an interlock. But he just had a BVR not less than a month ago, so I'm not gonna take
Is that
this.
agency paid as well? Or
Sure.
Okay,
Of course.
okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait for your chamber then. Thanks.
Yeah.
Am I sitting the one for these?
Okay, there's just.
Your assistant today? Oh, yeah, you did.
Yeah, she's.
I don't have to hear a lot of this on stage.
Hey, hi, morning. With a P? Okay,
For him, he was a subject of PTI.
great. Is he here now?
He is him. You got his T-Rex scheduled, but it was scheduled until July, sorry.
Yeah, so we'll send him now. And then we'll give you a couple weeks. Yes, ma'am. Thanks. You need me or her?
Yes, Ron, I want to make sure Carl is ready. You good?
Yep.
Okay.
For George, how's it going?
How are you, Judge?
Hi, what's up?
Your Honor, I have Mr. Portland Roberts hyphen Clay on the docket. He's got two cases. The older case is a motion to adjudicate an assault family member. The newer case is a new law violation of harassment. I visited with the prosecution about Mr. Roberts' Clay cases and we discussed some outcomes. What I've requested of the prosecution as a potential alternative is that, should the court allow, of course, that we extend Mr. Roberts Clay's deferred from 13 months, which was the original term, and he's pretty much, that term actually, I think, expired at the beginning of this month or late last month. And so extend it to a 2-year probation and keep him on probation and alter the conditions of probation from no threatening or harassing to straight no contact. The complainant in both the assault family member and the harassment case is his child's mother. So normally there is inherently some communication. I've informed my client and the state that I'd be asking the court, should the court go along with this, of course, to order that there be any childcare communication go through a third party intermediary to comply with the no contact provision.
Have we done a TRAS yet?
No, sir.
What I'd like to do is set it for a TRAS to see what they recommend first.
Okay.
With all these assaultive cases, I don't even know. And now we have a new assault and another harassment. I think
It's just a harassment, Judge.
I'm sorry, right. Well, the fact he's on deferred.
No, understood.
So what I'd like to do is he here now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's send it for a TRAS and then we'll set it off 2 weeks to figure out what to do. But I don't want to. Let's set it the last week of June to the first week of July, and then we can try to pursue an outcome. But I'd like to know what they recommend to see with this kind of history. I don't know. I don't know what, just don't want to agree because I don't know how to go forward. What kind of. So let's send them today and then we'll just give you a reset.
Are you good with everything that I represented?
Yeah. Okay, sure. All right.
Thank you.
So just reset it to like the last week or first week of July. We're going to send it for a TRAS now and see what the results say. Yeah, for sure. That.
July 28th.
Judge, you said last week.
Last week of this month or first week of July.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I want to be here for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's July 7th. Well, it's still like and you know this out. I saw a lot of things in there or something.
Yes, I saw it.
Okay, we're gonna solve your motions again.
Okay, let me tell them I'm not a judge.
Okay.
Does he already have? In the law?
Yeah, affordable, but they just need to amend it.
So you're gonna amend on the Sandoval case, to an A? because it's over 1.5, but he
Okay.
already has a portable.
Okay.
You know, good. And I'm not objecting to it.
A portable device. I thought he had a scram.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
And I think we do it in a lot as well. in addition to
Yes,
the-
right. I don't want to take the scram off because of the
Yeah,
bond violation. Yeah.
I'm just gonna wait for your J-Lo.
Sure.
Yeah. I don't know-
Sorry,
No,
they're out, so I don't know when this,
Wander
yeah,
around. I'd like to zoom in for the seventh floor.
of course.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah, anything. Hey,
You want to let that sit down?
on your hand, on your knees. Hey, come on up. You ready? Yeah.
I'm coaching on pace.
Okay.
PACE.
Yes. What are we doing?
As far as the bond conditions go, she has an 8 monitor on. Just want to ask the court, would you be willing to just amend that? She's in nursing school. She's,
Is that Miss Pace there?
yes.
Her case is 500 days old on one, 524 on the other, and then 29 on the third. I'm not taking it on. Sorry. It's just, she's been gone way too many times. It's just not gonna happen. And we need to figure out where we're going because these cases are super old.
Yes, Judge. So I just got a point at the last setting, the going through all the discovery, there were 3 cases.
Got it. Yeah.
I probably just need one more setting.
Sure, of course. Yeah, absolutely. But I'm not taking it off. It's not gonna happen. Sorry. Yep. And counsel, let her know if she ever takes off again, I'm gonna go bananas on the bond.
Judge, how much time on that one?
Normal setting. On pace. Yeah, she's got the new case and it's only 29 days old.
I mean, it was legit, but for
Is that something complete and we need forward to amend?
I'm gonna find one on this one. And so she had, because.
Choose to go on.
Victoria, what's the cause number?
260-861. It's on for Friday. It's actually on Friday. But I also have to.
Jason. Hey, is your client here today?
No, she's ready for Friday.
Hey, I'm live streaming, just so you know.
Was that?
I'm live streaming, just so you know.
Yeah, so this is a case, I'll talk to prosecutor, I think it'll be resolved pretty quickly. This is a QB case where. Well,
But she said her husband are traveling over the weekend, so they just want to, we won't be ready until next week.
Sure,
Okay.
pick a day next week. Yeah, I mean, are you okay with it? Okay, where is it from? Jason,
Was that?
where's it from? Is it just like a CVS or
Oh, no.
Walmart or?
She was very, she's pretty well. They bought like 4 or 5 wedding dresses and then returned one, but he challenged, because it never arrived, he called the credit card number the wrong direction. But they never contacted him to straighten it out, but he'll pay the money back. It's just that.
I understand.
He did the wrong direction.
So pick a day next week and then. Yeah. And then, hey, after that first setting, when they come here, we'll waive the appearance. So you just whatever you want. Of course. Tell me. Here, well, hold on. Hold on.